Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're about to unveil an incredible AI tool that's turning text into speech with unbelievably realistic voices. If you're a content creator, podcaster, or just fascinated by AI, you're in for a treat. Get ready to explore how this free tool is reshaping the world of text-to-speech technology. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss out. When we hop onto Google in search of text-to-speech tools, we're bombarded with results, but the catch is that many of them come with a price tag. You might spot the term free in some site titles, but upon closer inspection, it's a bummer to discover they're often just offering limited-time free trials or hiding the good stuff behind a paywall, urging you to upgrade for the full deal. Guess what? I'm about to introduce you to an incredible free tool. Play HT. This is going to blow your mind.
I'm correcting a spelling mistake. Duh.
Downloading.
Hello, how are you everybody? Thanks for watching!